Okay, can anybody tell me? Tell me, Ruff, Ruff. Get barkers? Oh yeah, we're outside. We're outside. We just got through eating, so we're all dirty. Look at everybody. Look at them babies. Look at the little babies. Look at you. Look at you. Hi, sweetie. Tell me, Ruff. Tell me, Ruff, Ruff, Ruff. Ruff, Ruff, Ruff. You got food all over your face. Yeah, I know it. I know it. Oh, yeah. And there's that little one. There's Powder. There's Kobe. This little white male's name is Kobe now. And there's Pebbles. Blank. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. Had them out here yesterday, and they loved it. Tell me, Ruff. Bark. Bark, baby. Bark. Bark, babies. I know I got barkers. Yep, got a big dog house over here. All we want to do is cry. Where's my mama? Where's my mama? Someone's going home this week. Going to the vet Tuesday. Yeah, I know it. I know it. I know. White ones are especially dirty, so we've been in the food bowl. We've been in the food bowl. And everybody's interested in what Papa's doing. He's hammering. He's working on the porch. Oh, yeah. Okay, see you later. Nobody's gonna talk.